started with a sandwich, just a sandwich. But somehow, that sandwich sparked chaos. Long lines wrapping around buildings, sold-out signs, arguments in parking lots, and even made headlines across the world. How does a fried chicken chain go from being just another fast food brand to becoming one of the most talked about names on the planet? And more importantly, how did it almost lose everything along the way? This is the story of Popeyes. Picture this. It's the early 1970s in New Orleans, a city known for its bold flavors, rich culture, and food that doesn't just fill you up. It tells a story. And right in the middle of that vibrant chaos, a man named Copeland decides he wants a piece of the fast food world. But here's the thing. His first attempt failed. Completely. His original restaurant wasn't even called Popeyes. It was named Chicken on the Run, and it tried to compete directly with big players like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Same concept, same style, but customers just didn't care. So what do you do when your business flops? Most people quit, but Copeland didn't. Instead, he made a decision that would change everything. He shut the place down, reworked the entire concept, and came back with something different, something bold. He reopened with a new name, Popeyes Mighty Good Chicken. And this time, he leaned into what made New Orleans special: spicy flavors, Cajun seasoning, chicken with attitude. And people noticed. This wasn't just fried chicken. It had personality. It had heat. It had a kick that made you remember it. Slowly, word started spreading. Locals loved it. Then tourists started discovering it. And before long, Popeyes wasn't just another chicken shop. It was becoming a cultural experience. But things didn't stay that simple. As demand grew, so did ambition. Copeland started expanding, opening more locations, turning his small operation into a growing chain. And by the 1980s, Popeyes was booming. This was the rise. Restaurants were popping up across the United States. The brand leaned hard into its Louisiana roots, using bold marketing and unforgettable flavors to stand out in a crowded fast food world. And let's be honest, standing out in fast food is not easy. You're competing with giants, brands that have billions in advertising, global reach, and decades of loyalty. But Popeyes had something different. It wasn't trying to be like everyone else. It was loud, flavorful, a little rebellious, and people loved that. By the early 1990s, Popeyes had grown into a major player. Hundreds of locations, strong brand recognition, a loyal fan base. From a failed chicken shop to a fast food powerhouse. Sounds like the perfect success story, right? Well, not quite. Because this is where everything changed. Behind the scenes, things weren't as smooth as they looked. Rapid expansion comes with risks. Costs go up, operations get complicated, and sometimes growth happens faster than a company can handle. Popeyes started struggling financially. Debt piled up. Management issues began to surface, and the same ambition that fueled its rise started to push it toward collapse. Then came the breaking point. In the early 1990s, Popeyes filed for bankruptcy. Let that sink in. A brand that had become a national sensation suddenly found itself fighting to survive. What happened next was shocking, not because it failed, but because of how quickly everything turned. One moment, it was rising. The next, it was falling apart. And this raises an interesting question. Can a brand built on boldness survive when its own foundation starts cracking? For many companies, bankruptcy is the end of the story, but not for Popeyes. After the bankruptcy, the company was restructured and eventually became part of a larger organization. New leadership came in, new strategies were introduced, and slowly, piece by piece, Popeyes started rebuilding itself. This was the comeback. But it wasn't flashy, it wasn't loud, it was slow, careful, and strategic. The brand refocused on what made it special in the first place: its food, its flavor, its identity. And over time, something interesting happened. People didn't forget Popeyes. In fact, they stayed loyal. There's something powerful about a brand that sticks to its roots, even after hitting rock bottom. And Popeyes did exactly that. Years passed. The fast food industry kept evolving. New competitors entered the market. Trends changed. Customer expectations shifted. And yet, Popeyes stayed relevant. But then, something unexpected happened. A moment that no one could have predicted. A moment that would take Popeyes from being a respected brand to becoming a global phenomenon almost overnight. The year was 2019, and it all started with a tweet. Popeyes launched a new product, their chicken sandwich. On the surface, it didn't seem revolutionary. After all, chicken sandwiches already existed everywhere. So what made this one different? At first, nothing. But then, the internet got involved. A playful exchange between Popeyes and Chick-fil-A on social media sparked curiosity. People started comparing the sandwiches, reviews started popping up, and suddenly, the question was everywhere. Which one is better? What happened next was chaos. Lines stretched for hours, locations sold out within days. People were driving across cities just to get one sandwich. It became more than food. It became a movement. And here's the wild part. Popeyes wasn't fully prepared for it. They ran out of sandwiches, nationwide. Think about that for a second. A fast food chain, completely out of its most popular product. It sounds like a disaster, right? But somehow, it made things even bigger. Scarcity created demand. Demand created hype. And hype turned into one of the most successful product launches in fast food history. But things didn't stay that way. With all that attention came controversy, reports of fights in stores, heated arguments, even incidents that made national news. It was intense, and it forced people to ask another question: how much hype is too much? For Popeyes, this moment was both a blessing and a challenge. It proved the brand could dominate global conversations, but it also showed how quickly things could spiral out of control. Still, they adapted. They brought the sandwich back, they improved operations, and they leaned into the attention rather than running from it. This is where everything shifted again, because Popeyes wasn't just recovering anymore, it was evolving. In 2017, a major turning point had already happened behind the scenes. Popeyes was acquired by Restaurant Brands International, the same company behind Burger King and Tim Hortons. And this changed the game. With stronger resources, better global infrastructure, and a clear strategy, Popeyes started expanding internationally at a much faster pace. New markets, new customers, new opportunities. From North America to Asia to the Middle East, Popeyes was everywhere. And yet, it never lost its identity. That Louisiana flavor, still there. That bold personality, still there. That sense of being just a little different from everyone else, definitely still there. Now fast forward to today. Popeyes is no longer just a comeback story. It's a global brand, thousands of locations worldwide, millions of customers. A reputation that goes beyond just food. It's about culture, experience, and, let's be honest, a little bit of chaos. But here's the interesting part. Even with all this success, the journey of Popeyes still feels unfinished. Because the fast food world never stands still. New trends are always emerging. Health-conscious consumers, plant-based alternatives, delivery apps changing how people eat. And the question remains, Can Popeyes continue to adapt without losing what made it special? Or will it face another fall? Because if history has taught us anything, it's that no brand is immune. Not even one that turned a simple chicken sandwich into a global phenomenon. And maybe that's what makes this story so fascinating. It's not just about fried chicken, it's about risk, failure, reinvention, and the unpredictable power of culture. From a failed restaurant in New Orleans, to bankruptcy, to viral fame, Popeyes has lived through it all. And somehow, it's still standing. But for how long? That's something only time will tell. So now I want to ask you, do you think Popeyes will continue to grow and dominate the fast food world? Or is another downfall waiting somewhere in the future? Let me know what you think in the comments.